Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2939 and chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, because if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside, and today we have seen it has made a high of around $2955. A swing has already formed at this particular level, and this is a doji candle has formed. Okay, after that we have seen there is a continuous upside, and if you look at this particular trend, we have seen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 around from 10 weeks we have seen there is a continuous upside, and chances of going further upside will be there if the price keep moving above a level of $2955, and if it started going up this level, a further upside movement we also we can see. But suppose if the price started falling below $2792, there is a higher chances of going further upside, further downfall will be there because this is a strong level. Okay, but now as of now, if it started going below a level of 2889, then we can see there will be a further fall, and chances of going towards a level of 2823 will be there, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, it makes a new high. Okay, whenever it goes make a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen a good fall we have seen, but at this particular level we have not seen a fall has come. Okay, otherwise whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall. So we can see as soon as the price started going down and form a red candle, then there is a probability of going further down. So what you can do, if the price keeps sustaining above this level, trail your SL by $5, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But once started going downside, trail your SL downside also, so you can capture a downside movement also. Index, I've clearly explained you that dollar index now trading at a level of $106.773. Okay, if the price sustain above this level, probability of going towards 107.2 to a level of 107.3. Okay, this 107.3 is a strong level, so if the price sustain above this level, we can see there will be higher chances of going further upside will be there, and then it will touch a level of $108 to a level of 108.5, and from there a level of 109.4, and then a further upside movement we can see. But if it started didn't sustain, we can see a level of 106.5 to a level of $106, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 105.5 to a level of $104.5. Okay, coming back again on the gold, what we can see, when I am saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of going down, we will see the price of gold will go up, as well as if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price committed going down. Going down, gold price goes up. So this is what we have seen, but sometimes what they both moves in same direction. So whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so capital will be saved, and trail your SL when you are in profit, so you can save your profit also. Okay, now coming back on this particular gold, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of $2944, and once started sustaining above this level, it makes a half today's high, that is around $2955. Okay, and then a probability of touching 2960 we can see to a level of 2970, and then it a probability of going towards 2980 to a level of $3000. Okay, well, the best thing you can do is trail your SL by $5, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So if the price comes down also, you will capture a big movement, or as well as you will not reduce up this trend. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, so if the price started going up $3000, you can keep trailing your SL, so you can capture a big movement towards higher side. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around the next support coming at a level of, we can say, 2891. Okay, this is on a week chart basis, so there is a next support coming at a level of 2891, and if that didn't sustain, a level of 2873 will be there. Suppose if the price started falling below this level, probability of going towards 2864 we can see, and once started moving below this level, a level of 2820 we can see, and once started going below that particular level, chances of falling below a level of 2791 we can see, and this level we can see a bounce back. But if started falling below this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2758, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of 27.52 to a level of 27.29. After 27.52 we can see a level of 27.29 and then a further downfall we can see. So probability of moving further low will be there. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.